What's going on YouTube? Moises Faz Power Washing. What we got going on tonight, some heavy equipment cleaning in the dark. We got the Ford out here with the 2 5-gallon per minute. We also got the big rig, 3500, pulling this light tower so we can see in the dark. But yeah, we got the guys out here cleaning these pieces of units, these dozers, and the excavators over here. Got my little helper here too. And we're getting it done. 2 units running. There we go. Getting it done, y'all. Night work. Best kind of work. Guys are all PPV'd up. Got their safety. They're washing away, man. Love it. I want to thank everybody for staying tuned, watching, subscribing. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop them down in the comment section. If you haven't checked out our recent videos, go ahead and check out our past videos on heavy equipment washing, some other cool stuff, commercial washing, residential washing. Y'all know the deal. But pretty much, just want to show what we got going on here at the dump site. Like I said, if y'all been watching our other videos, this is not the first time we've been out here, but this is the first time we've been washing at night. This customer requested that we get these 5 units out here to get washed. They got an inspection on the next day tomorrow, so we gotta knock it out the park, right? Pretty much what we're focusing on are the tracks, because these units, they get used quite a bit. They get used a lot. So focusing on the tracks is the main thing for the inspection. They just have to make sure that there's not a lot of wear and tear on these tracks. But as well as we're going to be getting the cabs and whatnot, all the windows, and it's going to be good. Watch out, man. My little helper, he's trying to climb that excavator right there. But anyways, yeah, some night work going on. 2 machines running, and we're getting it done. We're getting it done. Got the guys out here, so it's a 3-man crew right now. We got 1 supervising and then 2 of them washing. It's working out pretty good right now. So, again, if y'all have any questions, go ahead, drop them down in the comment section. Don't ask how much we charge. Not gonna answer those questions again, but anything else, go ahead. Appreciate everybody for watching. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button for more videos, and well, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.